Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Gain plant-based laundry detergent is probably one of the most sought-after laundry solutions for eco-conscious consumers, offering a powerful clean derived from plant-based ingredients that are gentle on your fabrics and the environment. This innovative formula tackles tough stains and leaves your clothes smelling fresh, all while minimizing your environmental footprint, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to make more sustainable decisions in their household routines without compromising on performance. Number 5. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. Experience a deep clean that's tough on stains but gentle on your skin. These hypoallergenic sheets are perfect for sensitive skin and everyday use. Enjoy the refreshing scent of clean laundry without the harsh chemicals. Our formula leaves your clothes smelling great and feeling soft. Lightweight and portable, these sheets are ideal for travel, dorm rooms, camping, and hand washing. Take the convenience of a powerful clean anywhere. Make a sustainable choice for your laundry. Our plastic-free, liquid-less sheets reduce waste and minimize your environmental impact. Just one sheet is all you need for a brilliant clean. Simply toss it in with your load for effortless laundry care. What we like. This detergent comes in convenient, plastic-free sheets. If you're looking for a mess-free and eco-conscious option for travel or small spaces, these are ideal. They offer a simple, effective clean without the bulk of traditional liquid detergents. What people say. This detergent is a great alternative for those looking for a plant-based option. It effectively cleans clothes without harsh chemicals, making it a good choice for sensitive skin. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, leaving laundry smelling fresh. Number 4. Attitude Liquid Laundry Detergent, Mountain Fresh. Experience a new standard in clean. This laundry detergent is EWG verified, meaning it's made with only the best ingredients, free from harsh chemicals. Harnessing the power of nature, it's formulated with 98% naturally derived ingredients. It effectively tackles stains, odors, and grease, working wonders in all machine types. Enjoy a breath of fresh air with our Mountain Fresh fragrance. It's a delightful blend of floral and sweet notes that will leave your laundry smelling amazing. Designed to be gentle yet effective, it's safe for both whites and colors in any water temperature. Keep all your garments looking their best. Feel good about your choice. This laundry soap is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring it's kind to your well-being and respectful of animals. What we like. This liquid detergent is EWG verified, meaning it's made with clean, safe ingredients. If you prioritize health and environmental safety, and have sensitive skin or concerns about harsh chemicals, this is an excellent choice. It offers a powerful clean while being gentle and vegan. What people say. This detergent is made with plant-based ingredients, making it a more eco-friendly option. It effectively removes tough stains and leaves clothes smelling fresh without harsh chemicals. The formula is gentle on sensitive skin, reducing the risk of irritation or allergic reactions. Number 3. Tide Purclean Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Purclean, a powerful liquid laundry detergent. It's crafted with plant-based ingredients for a clean you can feel good about. This detergent is designed to be gentle on your clothes while remaining tough on even the most stubborn stains. Experience a superior clean with every wash. With 63 fluid ounces, this bottle provides enough detergent for 48 loads of laundry. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and cleanliness for your entire wardrobe. Tide Purclean offers an eco-friendly cleaning solution without compromising on performance. It's a choice that's good for your clothes and the planet. Discover the difference that plant-based cleaning can make. Choose Tide Purclean for a brilliant clean that's effective and responsible. What we like. This detergent is known for its exceptional cleaning performance and brand recognition. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful cleaner that tackles tough stains and leaves clothes fresh, this is a solid option. It offers a great balance of effectiveness and affordability for everyday use. What people say. This detergent is made with plant-based ingredients. It effectively cleans clothes without harsh chemicals. The detergent leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean. Number 2. Attitude Liquid Laundry Detergent Refill, Wildflowers Scent. Introducing a revolutionary laundry detergent designed for your family's well-being. It's crafted with plant-based ingredients for a powerful clean you can trust. Our formula is EWG verified, ensuring it meets high standards for health and safety. It's also heat-compatible, making it suitable for most washing machines. We believe in kindness to all living beings. That's why our detergent is proudly vegan and never tested on animals. Experience the refreshing scent of wildflowers with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling naturally fresh and delightful. This generous refill provides 160 loads of exceptional cleaning power. It's an economical choice for keeping your laundry fresh and clean. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it remains gentle on your clothes. It effectively tackles tough stains while preserving fabric integrity. What we like. This is a large refill option for a trusted, EWG verified detergent. If you're committed to using clean ingredients and want to reduce plastic waste, this refill is perfect for you. It's ideal for households that use a lot of detergent and want a more sustainable purchasing option. What people say. This detergent is made with plant-based ingredients, making it a good choice for those who prefer eco-friendly products. It effectively removes tough stains and leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean without harsh chemicals. The formula is gentle on fabrics and suitable for sensitive skin, preventing irritation and allergies. Number 1. Gain Botanicals Laundry Detergent. Discover the power of nature with Gain Botanicals. Our plant-based formula is designed to tackle tough stains while being gentle on your fabrics. Experience the refreshing scent of white tea and lavender. It leaves your laundry smelling delightful and naturally fresh after every wash. Harnessing the strength of Botanicals, this detergent provides a deep clean without harsh chemicals. It's a choice you can feel good about. Our carefully crafted formula is effective against dirt and grime, yet remains gentle on all your favorite clothes. Keep your garments looking their best. This convenient pack of 2 ensures you're always stocked up. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and powerful cleaning for your entire household. Make the switch to a more sustainable laundry solution. Our plant-based ingredients offer an effective clean that's kinder to the planet. What we like. This detergent is made with plant-based ingredients and features a delightful white tea and lavender scent. If you appreciate natural fragrances and a gentle yet effective clean for your fabrics, this is a great pick. It's suitable for those who enjoy a subtle, calming aroma in their freshly washed laundry. What people say. This detergent is great for sensitive skin and it is plant-based. It has a light scent that is not overpowering, and it cleans clothes effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.